So typhoon literally means standing winds.
What?
People say that it is always calm before the storm. I finished my work earlier thanks to the storm. Yeah, there is a typhoon visiting Japan. We were asked to finish our work earlier than usual normal working hours. I am walking in the streets of Japan, waiting for the storm to come. Let's have a look at the condition before the storm hits. By the way, storms in Japan are called as typhoon. It's a combination of two words, tai and fu. Tai basically means a stand or a platform or a pedestal. And fu actually means wind. So typhoon literally means standing winds. Before things get any worse, I got to secure my toys.